7:04, tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia. Tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:22 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Colonial Beach, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Breton Bay, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Colton's Point, St. Clements Bay, Westmoreland State Park, Wicomico River and Colonial Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.